contentious bid to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term beyond 2028 is gaining momentum, with the some ZANU-PF structures actively seeking nationwide support for the plan. The Zimbabwe Independent heard this week. Sadamina mashuka tunoti vakomana vava serious much vachiona kuti aiwa the time is now around the corner, vada kugara aiwa vavasikiwa the bag, vada kugara aiwa vasikiwa the ground nguva ichiripo. Sadamina mashuka amudanyorwa panapa ndokuti mbosubscribe like what on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa Zimbabwe Independent vamudanyora chiti the plot to stretch the president's constitutional tenure comes as factionalism simmers in ZANU-PF, with the Mnangagwa loyalists reported squaring up against those said to have coalesced around Vice President Chiwenga. Mnangagwa's constitutionally mandated tenure is supposed to end in 2028 at the completion of his second and final term of office. Since Mnangagwa's victory at the 2023 polls against his closest rival, Nelson Chamisa, the then leader of the Citizen Coalition for Change, whispers have grown among the president's loyalists to extend his term in office beyond the constitutional 2028. Mnangagwa has publicly declared he has no intentions of staying in office beyond the end of his second term. However, a number of ZANU-PF affiliates and structures which were instrumental in campaigning for him have openly endorsed the 2030 plot. Last weekend, the chairpersons from the party's 10 provinces converged at the presidency pre-cap farm in Kwekwe, where they said they will continue to push for the extension for his term of office to 2030. Tomashoko arikushamisa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe akataura pachina akati anoda kuzorora, but kunoonekwa kuti aiwa vakomana avo from 10 provinces aiwa vanoenda vachinomuendosa vachiti ngaarambe aripo. Zvitiko zviri kushamisa vanhu varitongobuda pachina kutongoti aiwa panapa tiri kutongorohwa aiwa nedisguise panapa tiriwa nedivide and rule, divide and conquer, yatikuona kuti vanhu vari kungovharwa zvavo kumeso but chokwadi chiringori pachena. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section yedu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.